Click on the subscribe button and press the bell. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to create notes in browser in Android smartphone. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, go to Play Store and type this name of the application, that is Vivaldi browser. So install this application into your mobile phone. So I have already installed this browser. So once you have installed this application, open it. Now you will see the same interface like this. So this is the home page of this browser. Now to access the saved notes or to create a new notes, just tap on this icon and again tap on this icon, and to create or to type a new notes, tap on this pencil icon and you can start typing here. So once you have done with your notes, then tap on this back button to save it. So your notes will be saved on this browser itself. You can access it from this browser. Now you can also save the text from, you can also select the text from any web page and save it as a note in this browser. So for example, open any web page, and when you find something interesting lines or a quotes in the web page, you can select the text and make it as a note in this browser itself. So how you can do it? So to save, so suppose what is ransomware? So from this web page I have found some interesting definition, so the meaning of ransomware. So now I want to save this definition as a note in this browser. So what I'll need to do is I have to tap and hold on this text, and you can select the text by dragging this, selecting the text, and you can see here when you select the text from the web page, these options will show pop up. This is copy, then copy to notes. So tap on this option, copy to notes. So once you have selected the options called copy to note, then this will be saved as a note in this browser. So to access this text which I have saved, now tap on this icon again and tap on this icon, and you can see here what I have selected. The text from the web page is now saved as a note in this browser. So to open this or to read this notes, tap on the heading, and you can see here the text is saved in this notes. So in this way you can save any textual content from any web page in this browser itself, and you can read whenever you want. Even in offline mode also, you can view the saved notes. So this is very useful for taking notes from different websites or to save important notes in Android smartphone. So try this out, this unique web browser into yourself, and comment it below if you find this web browser useful for you. And if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.